What's going on, FMFAM? It's your boy. I'm trying something a little different. As y'all can tell, I am on my GoPro, but at the same time using my phone for the audio. So we're gonna try to mash this up together and see how this works out. Now this will be the first time I am going to do a drive belt on one of these vehicles. This is a brand new Rogue, and we're looking, oh, I don't even remember the mileage. Yeah, but it's time. I think it's like 40 or 50,000 on this one. Yeah, looking at 47,000 miles. Okay, so I did recommend it by time and mileage. Belt looks pretty small. Belt shouldn't look too complicated, but I do know I need to take that wheel off, get in the wheel well, and we'll see just you know, how I got to approach this. So I'm gonna raise the car up in the air and we're gonna get started on this vehicle. And I definitely am not too sure how difficult this is gonna be to edit, but I figured, hell, why not, right? So let's get this vehicle in the air. Let me take off that wheel right there and see if I don't even know how this drive belt goes in. I'm literally gonna be learning as we go. So yeah, and the reason I'm doing this, the whole GoPro and phone audio, is because normally GoPro audio is not that great. I used to record on a GoPro and I didn't like it. Also, GoPros heat up real quick, so I'm gonna see if I can make it through this video without GoPro overheating. Y'all see the stand right there? So we're gonna take this wheel off and we're gonna get rolling. Gotta find the correct key. So right here we have a 6-point. I'm usually pretty good at looking at the pattern and matching it up. Usually don't have an issue. Now I am using a GoPro Hero 10. I was gonna use the 11, but they sold out of the 11, so I bought the 10, and then they restocked after I picked it up. So I was like, dang. So we'll see how it does with the lighting in the shop, because this shop lighting can be, it's a little weird sometimes. So my main goal is just for y'all to hear me and see me the best y'all could. Now what sucks about this, I'm gonna have to match the audio up and save the video and then redo it all over again, because I need the audio to match. I think we're good there. I don't know if we need to pop this out. Possibly. I know this pops out. Done it. It's a pain. Pain in the you know who, in the fundi. Oh. Hit it there. Hit it there. Boom. Boom. And what I also didn't like about editing on the GoPro is that the GoPro breaks it up into segments, like 8-minute segments, and then I gotta go break it down. That's a lot more. What are we doing? Oh, so many different clips and screws. I'm not even getting paid on this, guys. I already did the work. Go figure, huh? I mean, I already got paid for it. But the part was on order. What? Who's this? Oh, this kind of looks fairly simple. Let's see. Got these clips up here. One. It's two. And then three. So once we get to that point, we just we break this inner fender liner. No, I'm just kidding. We don't break it, but we fold it. Not fold it, but move it back. All right. Now, here's where I struggle with some angles at times. All right, so now we are hooked up in here. Looks like we have something similar to the old style. Let me get a light. Looks like a 12 or a 13. We got to squeeze up in there, rock that forward, take the belt off. This looks like a Sentra. The Sentras aren't too bad. And it is definitely a 14 millimeter. We'll rock that forward. Now here's something I'm gonna do. Now don't be taking my tricks, man. Oh. I don't like when my tricks be being taken, you know? There we have it. Release that. Get the belt off. And we smack it for good luck. And then figure out how to get this. Oh no, it's just an alternator pulley here. So this goes around here. Up around the alternator. Then this goes around. Oh. I'll make sure I stay on the alternator. What in the world? I came off. Ouch. Dang. Come on. Oh, it's a little warm. It is a tad bit warm up there. Jesus. Come on now. Can I grab right there? Grab it. Make sure it don't come off again. Swing around the water pump. Oh man, everything's hot. That's because I let this vehicle sit before I drove it in. I was like, ain't no way I'm gonna work on it while it's hot while they just drove it in the rush hour. All right, so we're good. We're good. Just like that. Now, as y'all can see, AC compressor, crank pulley, tensioner, water pump. I don't know how well we can get a visual up in here, but the alternator right there. So, like I said, we're good. It's a dry belt completed. Now let me just throw this thing back together.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever whatever the hell could make me happy. And I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devil.
And that is it, y'all. We got this drive belt on this 22 Rogue, 21 Rogue, something like that. Almost 50,000 miles. Due by time and mileage. They did all their services with me last visit, so literally all I did was slap this belt on. I don't know, it took like 20-30 minutes or so. Yeah, guys, if y'all could please do me a favor, join the FMFAM down below. Check these videos out right here. Subscribe up there. We out of here. Deuce. Join.
If you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never